Homeowners in Talladega are becoming increasingly aware of the importance of energy efficiency when it comes to upgrading their homes. Among the many improvements available, one of the most impactful choices is installing energy-efficient windows. Beyond enhancing comfort and aesthetics, these modern windows offer long-term financial and environmental benefits that make them an investment worth considering. Lower utility bills all year round. Talladega's climate brings hot, humid summers and cool winters. That means homes rely heavily on heating and cooling systems. Traditional single-pane or outdated windows often allow conditioned air to escape, forcing HVAC systems to work harder and driving up utility bills. Energy-efficient windows, by contrast, are designed with advanced glazing, insulated frames, and specialized coatings that reduce heat transfer. During the summer, they keep hot air out and cool air in, while in winter they help retain warmth inside. For homeowners, this translates into significant monthly savings on energy bills, an advantage that continues for years. Improved comfort in every room. Drafts and uneven indoor temperatures are common complaints with older windows. In Talladega, where the weather can shift quickly, these issues become even more noticeable. Energy-efficient windows eliminate many of these problems by providing a stronger barrier against outside elements. By minimizing heat gain and loss, these windows create more consistent indoor temperatures. That means fewer cold spots in winter and less overheating in sun-facing rooms during summer. Families can enjoy a home that feels more comfortable, regardless of the season. Long-term value and return on investment. While energy-efficient windows may come with a higher upfront cost compared to standard models, homeowners in Talladega are finding that the long-term return on investment is substantial. Savings on monthly utility bills can add up quickly, often offsetting the installation cost within a few years. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades boost property value. Today's homebuyers are actively looking for sustainable, cost-saving features, and windows are a top priority. When it's time to sell, homes with energy-efficient windows tend to attract more interest and higher offers. Protection against UV damage. Sunlight streaming through windows may brighten up a home, but over time, it can also cause fading in furniture, carpets, and artwork. Energy-efficient windows are built with low emissivity, low-E coatings that filter harmful UV rays while still allowing plenty of natural light inside. This protection preserves the beauty of a home's interiors, saving homeowners from costly replacements of faded items. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in maintaining a home's value and appearance. Noise reduction for peaceful living. Living in Talladega means enjoying the charm of a vibrant community, but outside noise, whether from traffic, neighbors, or construction, can sometimes disrupt peace at home. Many energy-efficient windows are designed with multiple panes of glass and gas fills between them, which not only improve insulation but also reduce noise transmission. This makes for a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment, an often overlooked benefit that many homeowners appreciate once the upgrade is complete. A greener choice for the future. Energy-efficient windows don't just save homeowners money, they also reduce overall energy consumption, which means fewer carbon emissions. In a time when sustainability matters more than ever, Talladega residents can take pride in knowing their decision contributes to a healthier environment. By cutting back on energy waste, households play an active role in conservation efforts while also setting an example for the community. It's a win-win for both the homeowner and the planet. Making the switch in Talladega. For Talladega homeowners, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is no longer just a trend. It's becoming a smart, practical decision that pays off in multiple ways. From lasting savings on utility bills to enhanced comfort, improved property value, UV protection, and eco-friendly living, the benefits are clear. As more families in the area experience these advantages firsthand, energy-efficient windows are quickly moving from a luxury upgrade to a standard feature in modern homes. Whether renovating an older property or building new, choosing energy-efficient windows is an investment that ensures comfort, savings, and peace of mind for years to come.